Hey, this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, it's Christmas time and I always remember one of my dear friends at Christmas called Mr. Baker. He used to be a regular reader at Kitchen Gadgets Club before it was even Kitchen Gadgets Club and followed me for a number of years. Unfortunately, he passed thanks to COVID. And what he used to always talk about at Christmas was doing some smokies. Smokies, for my Brit followers, is simply cocktail sausages in barbecue sauce. And they are ideal for air fryers. So what I've got is I've got a big bag of cocktail sausages and I'm going to show you how to give them a go in the air fryer. They're just so simple, so easy, and of course, so delicious. So let's put them in, shall we? I've got a big bag of them here, so I hope you like cocktail sausages. And this is perfect for parties. If you're having a party, you can do barbecue sauce, which is what they naturally like, or you can mix and match with another favourite sauce you prefer. So let's put a big bag of cocktail sausages on. So pop it on, and you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. A cook time 12 minutes to cook these cocktail sausages and press start. Whilst our kitchen gadget is on, working its magic, can I tell you more about our 12 days of Christmas? Well, basically, it's a different recipe every day for 12 days. And we've done it because we absolutely love using our kitchen gadgets at Christmas time, but also because we thought it would be really, really helpful to someone else out there if we did a giveaway where you could win your Christmas dinner. So where we would pay for your Christmas dinner shop and then you could have turkey, chicken and all the trimmings or whichever ones you want. And it's also to celebrate the pre-orders of our brand new cookbook, the Multi-Cooker Cookbook, which is such a beautiful cookbook. I'm so proud of this, and it's got 125 deliciously easy recipes and essential techniques. But what's so amazing about this is it's brilliant for if you have different kitchen gadgets, because it covers air frying, pressure cooking, slow cooking, mixing up pressure cooking and air frying, steaming, and so many others. So it also includes the opportunity to get our turkey recipe, so you can actually get the turkey recipe that's featured in the cookbook before it's even out. All you have to do is pre-order yourself a copy of the Multi-Cooker Cookbook. Simply search Multi-Cooker Salmon Dom or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books and you can pre-order yourself a copy there, and then you can be having this turkey recipe in your house this Christmas and also have the chance to win your Christmas dinner on us. So now, pause the video and do that, and then let's get back to this recipe. And we've beeped. So, should we check on them? Oh, don't they look lovely? I just love the lovely colour you get on them in the air fryer. Oh, look at those, don't they look beautiful? So, pop the air fryer to one side, grab out a foil tray or whatever you prefer to use. And then that's all your sausages in there. So now you want to grab yourself some barbecue sauce. I've got some left over in the dish here. I'd better use that first, I don't want to waste it. And then also I've got a bottle here. I love Bullseye. Do you have a favourite barbecue sauce? I know quite a lot of you love different ones, so do tell me which barbecue sauce do you like. I think the only one I really hate is Heinz in the UK, because I just think it has a weird taste to it. It's not like the American ones. It's not sweet enough, I don't think, for me. So then, move them around. So then just move them around with your spoon so you don't get covered in barbecue sauce. And then they're ready to go back on. I mean, look at those, don't they look brilliant? So, open your air fryer back up, pop it in. It only just fits, these foil trays only just fit in my Phillips, as you can see, because it's not a proper square one like my Kasori. So let's finish off those sausages. So temperature down to 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, 5 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on our Smokies and see how they're doing? Oh wow, look at those. Don't they look brilliant? Let me get a fork in there for you. Oh, don't they look amazing? Barbecue cocktail sausages in the air fryer, whether us Brits would call it that or Smokies, I just think they're a dream. And you know, they're great for this time of year when you want some party food, or they're great for any time of year really. You know, it's just nice to have something to nibble on that you've got and you've done quickly in the air fryer like this. So, grab yourself your favourite bowl. Let's get them out, shall we? So I find it harder to get these out the Phillips because they only just fit, but they're still not bad. Oh wow, look at those. And all that hot barbecue sauce that's gone to the bottom. Don't burn yourself, of course. Oh wow, look at those. Don't they look amazing? Oh yes. And then if you were to do it the American way, then you'd have them on cocktail sticks as the ultimate party food. After all, you don't want to make a mess with all that barbecue sauce, do you? But oh, wow, don't they look amazing? I just can't believe how simple they are and how lovely they are. You know, I think we should do more things like this. Or, you know, why not add some bacon to the mix instead? Make them even better. And I bet I've got a puppy by my feet wanting one, and he's got no chance like, but he loves the smell of obviously cocktail sausages. So that's another great for you to do over Christmas, and a happy Christmas from all of us at Kitchen Gadgets Club. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.